My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Jaguar I-Pace. This vehicle has done just under 28,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, as well as automatic headlights. On the touchscreen, we can see that we have navigation as a feature, as well as media and My EV, which includes immediate charging, as well as smart charging. The I-Pace comes with a 360 degrees parking camera. We also have a keyless ignition, climate control, as well as heated seats, and we can choose from a variation of different driving modes. So you have dynamic, comfort, eco, and rain, ice and snow. As we enter the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have a full leather black interior, as well as a panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.